This is Mastertronic's Rescue, the ZX Spectrum. Now, this sneaked into the Your Sinclair magazine's top 100 Spectrum games of all time list, I believe. Even though I suspect the majority of Spectrum users never heard of the game, because I certainly hadn't. I'll give this a go. I tried it earlier, I can't get the bastard work. It says press fire to start. Doesn't seem like shit's happening to me. I'll change control, these keys. Fucking how many controls do you need? Right, we're off. Little chap here. Ship's taking off. There you go. I didn't have enough fuel, so you crashed after takeoff. You would never know. No one will know if you succeeded or not, and the pirate can hold the universe to ransom. That's fun, wasn't it? Fucking brilliant. This is one of them games you can die within about a second. So I'm out. Oh, yeah. Shoot them bastards. So I got some I don't know what these are, if they're fuel drums or what. No, I didn't want to take off. Pissing hell. Doesn't look very inspiring game to me. Little teleporter there. No idea what's going on. What's that? Hyperthermic needle? Can I have that? No. Pick that crate up. I don't know what's going on in this game. The animation's really quick. Too quick, if anything. Guy runs around like he's on a mission, doesn't he? Look at the speed, little bastard. Fucking Chuck Norris don't run this fast. Mind you, he doesn't need to, Chuck. He can just stroll along. He just strolls along with his old Chuck. Oh, they give you strength back, them little buggers. No idea what's going on really. I got a little chap there. What else do you want? You don't see me doing much of these, but quiet. Let's shoot him. Gotcha, you bastard. Give me his shoes. Look at that. Always left his shoes. Take that. I don't know if you're supposed to rescue that guy, kill him or what, but he's dead now, so, you know, fuck off. Basically. I've got a medikit installed. A vial of blood there, you never know when you need a bit of blood. The Dracula shows up. I can see why this is why people may like this game. Oh, an ammo box. It seems pretty what are you doing? Fix that door? Fuck off. Oh shit. That's buggered it, isn't it? Can't open the door now. Oh yeah, it's pretty quite a lot. It seems to be quite a lot to this game, to be fair. Plenty of things to pick up. Plenty of doodads around, you know, stuff going on. pretty impressive. Speed's good. Graphics are so. Oh shit, he's trying to blow it up. Oops, whatever that was, I shot it. Fuck off, you can't get me, you bastard. I'm gonna give this game 7 out of 10. He's a tough bastard. Game over. Well. Fucking hell, clobbered by that bastard. Believe it or not, you didn't rescue anyone, you saved no experiments. The pirates have captured the ultimate discovery. All you managed to do was die in a time of 3 minutes 3 seconds. That's fair. That's pretty actually. Fair actually. That's all I did really. Do was die. I did shoot somebody. There you go. So, top 100. Whether this belongs to the top 100 Spectrum games of all time, well, it's bollocks. Of course it doesn't. There's a lot of better games than this, but it ain't too bad. All said and done. I mean, that's 3 minutes of my life I didn't waste entirely. Well, I did waste, but at least the game was fairly playable. Some of these games you play are absolute shite. So, 7 out of 10. There you go.